Time and money was spent. Hop in a booth and I run. Got me a cool note.
YouTube is Spumatic back at it with another video. I'm going to put some LED headlights in the Nissan Murano. They just came in. And I got these off of Amazon. And I'll put the link in the description below. Let's see how these things look. Okay. These are the LEDs. A little ballast here. And I looked up reviews on these. These got pretty good reviews. I believe they're gonna be the low beam and high beam. So I'm gonna throw these in. A lot smaller than the old days where you had the big ballast for the HID box. You know, easier to mount. And I'm gonna show you how the headlights look currently. This is how the headlight currently looks. You know, I wanted a little more visibility, and also I love that cool, that ice blue look. So that's what we're going for. As you can see. So we're gonna be changing out those and see if we could get a better look and more visibility while driving. A little inexpensive mod, but it's the little things that make the difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button for me and subscribe. It's all appreciated. So first thing is that we're gonna have to remove the headlight. So gonna be pushing down on this guy right here and removing the wire harness. So we're gonna be pushing down on this and removing this plastic clip here, and then unscrewing the stock headlight. Okay, so looks good. Push down on this. Okay, now we're gonna unscrew this headlight. Came out pretty easy. And these are just stock halogens. We want to go with something a little bit more brighter, a little more looms. So let's do that. So you don't want to touch this bulb. You don't want to get any grease on this. So just be very careful. Wear gloves if you can, and just try to be careful.
Seen a millionaire weed, had to blink twice. Mama called the D's on me, first she caught a price. Own niggas set me up, I coulda lost my life. Floating in the foreign like damn, I rolled the dice. Swear nowadays.
There we go. Got it in there. You gotta line it up with the, it's like 3 prongs, and you gotta line them up and then twist it in. Now we put our connector in. So this is where you want to click in with the top part. There we go. Put this right here. Wait, where is it? Okay. Here. Now, let's see how these things look. Oh yeah. Ooh, looks way better. Oh man. Now you can see the comparison, the dull factory light versus the new LED light. That is awesome. And you get, the benefits are, it's going to be brighter, you're going to see more at a wider angle and see further down the road. So it's safety and styling, and it looks better. Look, that looks like a dim light from the 1800s or something. That looks like a little candlelight, and the other one looks like a bright 2020 futuristic light. So the next thing I'm gonna upgrade is the high beam. So I was wrong. That's just the low beam LED I got, and I have to buy another set for the high beams. Definitely think I'm gonna do it.
Seen a millionaire weed, had to blink twice. Mama called the D's on me, first I caught a price. Own nigga set me up, I coulda lost my life. Floating in the foreign like damn, I rolled the dice. Swear nowadays, don't know who to trust. Dirty on me, I ain't scared of bust. And the glass half full, but you had enough. I see you talk a big game, but you acting tough. 19, I lost 75 in the mail. Got knocked with a box in the scale. Just turned 18 and I'm sitting in the cell. Fucked up, cause my re-up was my bell. No shrink, just stink while the beat playing. Block out the shade, only hear what God's saying. Feel the frost on my soul, let God take control. Against the odds for patrol, roll a wall when I'm low. On cloud line, never coming down. I'm so high, I can reach down. Make them M's and I reach back. Make them M's, they don't teach that. Girl, my body never ends. Counting up the mans with my friends. Counting up the mans with my friends. Stop till I see me.
So now we're installing the passenger side light. A little bit more tight in here, but not too bad. So it does go this way.
It ain't money till I see it's all 100 stacks. Yeah, I play your cards right till you're all in. You ask God for an answer, what's your calling? Don't put your dreams on hold while you're stalling. Look at the stars, see them falling. Back against the wall, God, I want a ball. God, I want it all, till I'm not enough. Back against the rope with a bag full of dope, with a head full of hope, till it's 100K a show. On cloud line, never coming down. I'm so high, I can reach down. Make them M's and I reach back. Make them M's, they don't teach that. Girl, my body never ends. Counting up the mans with my friends. Counting up the mines with my friends. Won't stop till I see me a billion. Won't stop, I don't see no feelings. Won't stop till I see me a billion. Won't stop, I don't see no feelings. Won't stop till I see me a billion. Counting all this money with my friends. That's time money well spent.
So you can see the difference. Looks way better. A lot more of an aggressive look. Oh yeah, definitely worth the money. I'm gonna put the link down in the description, and I got these off of Amazon. They weren't bad in price, but definitely a better look, and it updates, you know, the look of the headlight, and you get better visibility. This is the brand here. Generation 2 Nineo, and these got good reviews on Amazon. Definitely recommend them. We're from 2015 to current Murano.
Seen a millionaire weed, had to blink twice. Mama called the D's on me, first I caught a price. Own niggas set me up, I could've lost my life. Floating in the foreign like damn, I rolled the dice. Swear nowadays, don't know who to trust. Dirty on me, I ain't scared of bust. And the glass half full, but you had enough. I see you talk a big game, but you acting tough. 19, I lost 75 in the mail. Got knocked with a box in the scale. Just turned 18 and I'm sitting in the cell. Fucked up cause my re-up was my bell. No shrink, just stink while the beat playing. Block out the shade, only hear what God's saying. Feel the frost on my soul, let God take control. Guess the eyes for patrol, roll a wall when I'm low. On cloud nine, never coming down. I'm so high, I can reach down. Make them M's and I reach back. Make them M's, they don't teach that. Girl, my body never ends. Counting up the mans with my friends. Counting up the mans with my friends. Won't stop till I see me a billion. Won't stop, I don't see no feelings. Won't stop till I see me a billion. Won't stop, I don't see no feelings. Won't stop till I see me a billion. Counting all this money with my friends. That's time money well spent. Counting all this money with my friends. Won't stop till I see me a billion. We on the road, you in the best still. Working dead end jobs, it's a treadmill. Niggas sold you a dream, you want your money back. I got a chip on my shoulder like a chunky back. Used to play with the trees, yeah, the skunky pack. No handout, nigga, ain't no fun in that. Walk the block till I feel like I'm running that.
For watching the video, that was a how-to or review of a LED headlight on a Nissan Murano, the Generation 2 Nineo LED headlights. Easy install. There's plenty room in there, so you don't have to worry about removing the headlight or removing other things, air boxes or anything. So it's about a 15-minute job, and it's definitely worth it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification button for me. I needs it. Tell your whole family, your family's family, your family's friends, your friends' friends, everybody to subscribe. Spumatic Carz. We're gonna be doing more videos, and I'm gonna be getting that GTR on the dyno, so stay tuned for that. All right, thank you for watching.